Cheer up! 今日はロングステイフェアにやってきました。それでは今から取材に行きたいと思います。行ってきます。フィリピン観光省のレネ・レイヤスさんにお話を伺いたいと思います。
Showcase the different schools in English language in the Philippines, but not only English language, but also universities. Because we offer good education, like from the University of Santo Tomas, the oldest university in the Philippines. They offer good education and good English language education.
Well, why do you recommend Philippines?
We recommend Philippines to stay long term. Well, there are many kinds of people in the Philippines, and we are very kind to our old people. We can take care of them. We are very compassionate, nurturing.
How about for students?
For students, we have very good teachers. Also, since the Filipinos are naturally nurturing and compassionate, they are also patient and understanding and taking care of the students and teaching. We are very good teachers and we take care of them also. We are like in their homes. And there are so many activities that we can partner with English education. Like we have good dive sites.
Oh, diving! That's
yes,
nice. Yeah.
We are the center of marine biodiversity. That's why we can offer good diving. We also offer English language golf. Yes, we have plenty of nice golf courses in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
So the businessmen to study, they use their skill for golfing, right? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So thank you very much for today. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. 以上、ロングステイフェアでした。またね。